Hey everyone, so I got this easy wear and go kinky curly wig from Remy Forte hair, and we're gonna go ahead and do the install for this and show you guys how amazing this looks and how easy it is to put on. Okay, so I just wanted to say, like, without me even doing anything, look at how natural this hairline is looking. Like, that's crazy. That's nuts. I think I would do like a middle part or something, but I have to see. And I'll probably end up washing this to kind of make the curls like a little bit more softer, do like a deep conditioner, but I wanted to show you guys what this looks like when you first put it on. And I also kind of want to cut the lace a little bit. Alright, so I pretty much only used glue on this part to just touch up the edges, but I just used a wig glue spray for the most part. It's just the easiest thing to do for my installs, especially if I'm going to work with these types of units. It does the job because like the lace is already HD, so you don't really have to do too much. I just like to layer mine on until I get the desired look, and now I'm just going in and doing the baby hairs. I'm just kind of cutting it, and then I just do a couple of them at my temples, and then I'm good to go. Okay, so I've got a full face on. I want to do a side part instead of a middle part, and I also made sure to like lay everything down more. So this is what it's looking like up close. That's what the lace is looking like up close. Again, this is their HD undetectable lace. Look at that. I'll let y'all know like as far as like the specs of how far it goes, but it goes to my temples and it goes back 4 inches. That's what I do know. But look at that, beautiful. And I washed it. The first thing I'm gonna end up doing is just making sure that I kind of like spray water throughout the hair, and we're just gonna kind of like finger comb it. Okay, hi guys, I'm back with a new video, and I wanted to show you guys this wig that Remy Forte hair sent me. This is their Kinky Curly Easy Go Wear and Go wig, Kinky Curly HD lace. It's got pre-cut lace as well, so like whenever you first get it, it's literally already cut for you. You don't have to cut anything. I personally cut this back just a little bit, and then I just went in and it was good to go. So this is probably one of the easiest installs that I will ever do. I'm pretty sure the lace is either a 4x6 or a 5x5, but for me it's looking like a 4x6 because the lace goes all the way to my temples, literally here, and it goes back right around here. So this is a 4x6 lace, and this is 24 inches. So the price is $262.54. They also take Afterpay, which is amazing. And this comes in one cap size only because there's an elastic band that they have you can go ahead and adjust. And the cap itself, it's able to stretch. So I'm pretty sure this will fit most heads. It's an average cap size. And I'm on the smaller side, so I have to adjust the band on the inside a lot smaller than normal. But I'm gonna stand here and kind of show you guys how the hair is looking. I've already styled it, I've already washed the hair, and I pretty much used like a hair gel, and I used other products to make sure that I had like that, not just that kinky curly look, but also slightly wet. And look at how defined these curls are. It's so pretty. Absolutely love this. I love the lace especially because it's super natural looking, and you can get away with putting this behind your ears without having to worry about the lace lifting up because there's no lace over here, and it blends in really nicely with any natural like leave out that I have going on. This hair is very long, stretched out. It's 24 inches for sure, 24 to 26. And I don't know the density of this wig, but it feels like 180 to 200%. It doesn't actually say that on here. Also, shipping was extremely fast, and it was really easy to talk to the company. I was talking to them through email and also through Instagram, so if you want, you can contact them both ways, and I'm sure they'll help you out. But this is absolutely gorgeous. And again, the install was very easy. The lace is magnificent, but also their plucking is really good. I will say, like, coming pre-plucked, this has a very realistic and natural looking hairline that you really can't beat. And I feel like it just looks really good as a side part. I wouldn't do anything else to change that. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, I also kind of cut in and like layered the bangs a little bit to give it more of that natural look because it all came in one length. So if you're wanting more of that, I would go in and kind of just use the scissors, or I guess if you have like a razor comb, then you can shape the wig however you want to. But anyways, I feel like that's all that I have to say. It didn't come in a box, it just came in a bag, so there's not really anything fancy to really show you guys as far as the packaging, but I'm sure they will have that in the future. But yes, love this unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to Remy Forte hair down below. And I'm also gonna put the direct wig link in the description box as well, so y'all can go ahead and check them out. The wig is under $300, so you're getting a lot of hair and you're getting a really good quality lace for a very good price. So definitely check them out. I'm gonna go in and take some intro shots for you guys. I'm also filming my new apartment, so if anything looks out of place, you know, then that's why. But yes, I will talk to you guys later and have an awesome day.